Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, Princess P, the real Princey in real life, you done know. Back with another video. I'm gonna take you from this to copper in one step using HiColour from L'Oreal. I'm not even gonna edit that out, whatever. And of course, what we're not gonna do is forget the real ones. That's what that's what we never gonna do, okay? Big up all my real ones. You done know it's a real recognize a real in a real life. From me to you, love you long time. And if this is the very first time that you are seeing my face and hearing my voice, stay with me. Go ahead and stay with me. Stay with me, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Do it. Let's color this hair. Good morning, students. Okay, so these are the colors that I have. Copper. I do have a magenta. As I told you, this is the red that I used years ago. I might mix a little magenta into the copper, you know. See what it does. No harm. This is the copper I didn't finish. I have my brush for coloring. This is my mixing bowl. Dollar store. Brushes. I have a comb somewhere. So this is the developer. 20, 30, 50. We don't use all of these. We use the 30. Well, that's what I'm gonna use this time. 20 is like perm hair. Very thin hair, light hair. 30 is kind of average. 50 is fry your head top. And it's because I was trying to dye a synthetic wig, which now I know does not work. So yeah, that's why I have the 50. And if I wanted to touch up something super quick, like a 10-second turn time, I'd probably use a 50. But we're gonna go with the healthy medium, which is 30. I have my measuring cup. Per one tube, you're supposed to use, I think, 2.4 fluid ounces, which is about 70 milliliters. And right now I'm gonna use not one, not two, but 2.5. So do the math. That's 70 plus 70, 140 plus 35. That's 175. I bumped it up to 2. Whatever. So I'm gonna start with that because, mind you, I have her and I have her to color. So I just want to start there. I do have 2 extra packs if I need it. So I'm gonna gauge as I go along, using it sparingly. Yeah. You know what? Don't forget to protect up your table. Have a little tablecloth. Protect up my white table and protect up your hand. Wear your gloves. Protect up your hand. Protect up your table. Squeeze. See that orange color coming through. To make sure I kind of get everything, I not only squeeze, but I squeeze and roll. I don't know if you can see that. I need every last ounce, huh? Oh. Brand new one, open it up. The top is closed. Use the cap. Press the top. Now it's open. Okay, I squeezed out the life out of everything. I went like this. I opened it back up. I squeezed out every little inch that I could. Okay? And now we mix. Haircuts like me, protecting up the table is so important. Like, as you can see, I've already made a mess. And mixing this out is the worst part. Oh, my hand look good. Okay, so this is fully mixed out, as you can see. There are no lumps. It's one consistency, one color. This is the true color. But obviously, this is not the color it's gonna work out to be. So I have this wig, this wavy one, because that's the most important one to me. I'm gonna start with Avi. This is way too much, so. Oi, make sure no side. Me and I air dresser, you know. Me a DIY dresser. DIY dresser. Just trying a thing. Just trying a whole thing. Cause, you know, when you have two hands, you must use it to analyze. And, God, I'm so clumsy. You know, typically if you're doing this on natural hair, you don't want to start at the root. That I do know. Even though I'm not a hairdresser, I do know that. You don't want to start at the root because the root, the heat from your head, will make it change faster. But because this ain't no real hair, you ain't got no heat. You do wherever you want. I'm gonna do this so messy. And I really just hope it turns out like, oh my goodness. So tedious, this task. This is a wig that I did make. I made this wig all by myself. This wig is about, what, 6 years old? 5? No, about 7 or 8 years old, boy. Let me tell you, these human hair, they will last, especially if you keep your stuff them, they will last. After you put the color in it, you're supposed to let it stay for about 30 minutes. So. So this is about halfway, and it is changing. You can see the color is coming. Sorry, the color is coming. It's just taking longer than I want. It's changing. What say me then? Add a little bleach to the mix. You're not supposed to. But that will just speed it up so much more. And it's not really my real hair, so I could do it, right? Add a little black light. Let's see. I think I might do it. I did go in and add some 50 volume. I'm just so impatient. Oh my gosh, this is not the way to do it, guys. Like, don't follow me. Use this as a what not to do video, okay? Because if it does not turn out, back in the day when I used to color my buttons and stuff, I take my time, I'm gonna do my thing. But in this day and age now, and how much o'clock I'm on in, I just want to be done, you know? See, it's changing. Just want to be done. Okay, let's see. Let's see. So tempted. So I did put a little bit of the black light in it. So this is before. This is the proper way. This is changing. I'm going to twist this and keep this together. And then I'm going to finish the top with the new enhanced mix and go from there. I'll show you guys how it goes. Remember when I said I have all night, but I didn't take my time and I didn't want to use a foil? I lied. I don't have all night and I have no patience, like, and I hate waiting. So get your ass here and just rock. Okay, so this one has the lightning in it. You can see the colors a little different. It's changing. I mean, it's changing. It's just changing super slow, you know? Like, I don't want it to change super slow. I want it to change like right now, you know what I mean? Like everything just fall in line, you know what I mean? Like, right? You know what I mean? So, all them something here we do for beauty and style and fashion. How much years, man, do all of them something here? My God. So this is me halfway changing the formula, enhancing it to a little bit more toxic formula to see what the results will be, you know. What's done is done. So now I just gotta work with it. That's what I'm doing, you know. I feel like, look, it touched in and it's starting to change. You don't see that? Or is that in my head? I don't know. Stop using the foil. Get roll. This joint's changing already, dog. That's what I like. Look at this. This is all the little pieces that are in the brush. Changed it right to the color that I want. I really hope this turns out. I get so nervous. Okay, so a half, this is how much I have left. We should be able to finish. Remember, I did 2.5, but this is very long hair and it's quite full. So yeah, I'm probably thinking I will have to use the other pads on that. Hopefully I was trying to have a little bit left from this, but I don't know if I will. Worst case scenario, I do that another day and just focus on this. And I think I'll do my eyebrows. We'll see. So here she is. Finally colored and I can see the change up here. It's been a while. It's been a while since the time I started. It's been over an hour and this is only supposed to stay for half an hour. But yeah, I defy the rules, you know, especially when it's not in my head, human hair. So let it sit for a minute while I clean up and then I'll wash her out. I am dedicating my whole heart to this orange right now, okay? With these brows. Who good at this? They started to itch already. It's the heavy chemistry elixir too. Horrible. But I'm doing it. My eyes, my brows have never colored. Let me wash this out before I let it gone too bright. So, turn this around. This is looking pretty orange if you ask me. I'm gonna wash her out and then I'll be back. So, yeah. It's a mess out here. Bruh, what did I do? Guys, what did I do? My eyebrows look horrible. Like they're too light. They're too bleach out. Okay. Nothing a little liner cannot fix. I'm gonna need a little pencil now. I'm gonna go look for an orange pencil. No. Don't look at my mashup sofa. Someone need to buy me a sofa, you know, because this my son pick out. My eyebrows are burning. I'll tell you this right now, straight up. My eyebrows are burning. That was a bad idea. What did I do? So here she is. I feel like the copper kind of looks brown, but it's not, because when you put it against brown, you could definitely see the difference. On its own, it will look more brown, but when you put it against other colors, you can see it. It's orange. This has not been styled. I just literally washed it and left it out to dry. This is what it looks like. Turned out so pretty. I love how it looks. Processed or bundles that's not actual virgin human hair does take so much longer to color, and it does take higher developer, higher volume just to get it to move. But when it moves, ooh, sis, you moved. This is cute. This hair is still in good condition. It's still fluffy. I like my hair full, So you know I have bundles on this head made from scratch by your girl, Princess P. Holla back. For a hair that has not been bleached and was just colored one step, this is amazing. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Stay with me. It's your girl, the Real Princey. Big up on my real ones. You done know so real recognize real in a real life. Yeah. Until next time. Bye.